Curious what people ate in biblical times? Try this simple biblical dessert, an ancient recipe perfected over thousands of years, straight from the Holy Land.
I love it. Hi everybody, welcome. My name is Rivki from Lev Haolam, and I am joined by my favorite person, David from Lev Haolam, our chef. Welcome.
Hi, hello everybody.
We're so happy that you're with us, and you guys, today our kitchen is actually in the Lev Haolam creative team's office. This is the exact place that Eyal and his team have their incredible, amazing ideas to make the surprise boxes. And David, what are we doing today?
Today we're doing something sweet, simple and very Israeli.
I love it. Sweet, simple, and Israeli. It's just like us, right? And the ingredients that we're using, I'm so excited because we're using everything from the incredible boxes that Eyal and his team put together. So we're making a wonderful Israeli. You can use it for dessert, or you could do it just for like a nice snack in the afternoon. And the main ingredient, I mean, they're all important, all three, but you couldn't do it without this. And this is dates. These are absolutely the most delicious dates on earth. These are medjool dates. They come from the Jordan Valley. I went to this date farm and it was in the summer and it was 45 degrees Celsius. I'm not sure what that is in Fahrenheit, but let me just say that's like so hot. I thought I was going to pass out. But you know what? The dates love it. They're happy in that hot heat. And the Sunsun and Deco farm, families run this farm. They are incredible and they put so much care and attention, and that's why their dates are so big and plump and juicy. So that is why we're using these particular dates from the Lev Haolam box, Sunsun and Deco. Okay.
And also we have here beautiful almonds. It's from the Galilee, one of our producer, Avnaim family. And this is a special guy. He was so much in the Miluim duty service during these 2 years. And Lev Haolam was really helpful for them, for this small family business, to support and bring support for this family. And this is Israeli almonds, very special, very tasty. We will use it today.
I love it too. This time of year, when you're driving in Israel, all the trees are in bloom. It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
And then, of course, finally, we're doing honey. And this is my favorite ingredient. Man, I love Israeli honey. This honey that we're going to use today is from the Golan Heights. It's from a family up there, a family farm, Yosef Honey. And so we'll use that. But David and I wanted to show you also silan, because some of you may have at home your silan that you've received in a Lev Haolam surprise box, and you wonder, how should I use this? This is date honey, so from the date tree, and you can use it just the same way you would use honey, right? Mm-hmm. Slightly different flavor. So try both and see which one is your favorite. Okay, so now here's the fun part. David, you're going to step us through how to do this.
Yes, it's very easy. We will take our beautiful dates.
Okay.
Just cut it in the middle, like not till the end, but just to open it.
Okay.
And we have a pit inside.
Right.
So we carefully took out the pit.
Ah.
Okay.
Okay.
Open this a little bit more, and then we'll take our almonds. Actually, you can use every nut you like. Walnuts go well, pistachio, cashew, like whatever you prefer. We take the almonds today.
The lemon wants to jump in and join us. Okay, I have to say that this really does look easy.
Yeah, it's easy, it's healthy, very nutritious. Actually, in Israel, it's kind of the popular snack or treats because it's not so expensive, easy to make, look beautiful. Right. You know, sweet for party, for you have a guest, invite, make it quick, look good, sweet.
I have been to people's homes where they, serve this, and I always thought I want to make this at home, and I just never have because I don't know why. I was just like a little bit nervous, but I see you doing it and I see that it is simple.
Yes, a lot of variation. Somebody put also the cheese here,
Oh, nice.
you know, like the cream cheese or something
Yeah,
to make it more interesting, let's say.
Which was interesting. I was interviewing for our Lev Haolam magazine, a family. We were down in Ofakim, and we went to their house and sat down, and the mom arrived home. And next thing on the table came stuffed dates, next thing cut fruit, next thing loose nuts. I mean, like before you knew it, the whole table was covered with all of these delicious snacks. So it really is Israeli, and you can do hospitality just like we do here. It's nice.
And the next step, we just pour a little bit honey, even for more sweetness.
Ooh.
And as Rivki said, you can use also date honey. What do you prefer?
So David, how much honey? Just like drizzle?
Yeah, drizzle just for...
I'm one of those people that I always like to use a lot of honey because I love it. Oh, this looks good. Okay. Oh, David, that looks so good.
And one more thing, to make it even more beautiful, more attractive, we will use a coconut.
I wondered what this was.
To put above. And also you can put, we have here ground walnuts for second part.
So you guys, you can take your nuts from your Lev Haolam box. Maybe you wanted to do ground cashew, you just grind it up, drop it on. David, that looks magnificent.
Looks beautiful, very presentative.
Look at this.
Amazing snack.
So David, now, of course, the most exciting part is we get to try.
Sure.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to do the one with coconut.
I will take with nuts.
Tehran.
L'chaim.
L'chaim. Wow. I love this.
Sweet, crunchy.
You know, sometimes you have a craving and you want something sweet, you want something salty, you want something crunchy. This is basically every single one of those things.
Yes. And yeah, I think you eat 3-4 like this and you...
It's true, you have the energy to the day. Oh my gosh, David, thank you for sharing this amazing recipe with us. You know, what I love so much about this recipe is that every single ingredient that we use today, you get these in your Lev Haolam surprise boxes. So my friends, when you receive a Lev Haolam surprise box at your house, you are not only getting a fantastic surprise from Israel that will connect you so closely to the Holy Land, to the Bible, to Eyal and his team who work right here in this office, to the producers. Every single thing you receive in your box is touched and loved by hands right here in Israel, from the dates that are picked and harvested in the Jordan Valley, to the honey, to even the ceramic that we served this on. This was an exact ceramic dish that we sent in a previous Lev Haolam box. Same with these bowls. We are able to connect you with the artisans that make these incredible products. And I think this is the biggest win-win in the history of win-wins, because I know when you love Israel and you just want to be connected and closer to Israel, and this is a way that you can do it. Those of you who are with us today who are already members of the Lev Haolam family, I just want to say thank you, because wow, what a difference you make to so many people in the land of Israel. In addition to that, my friends, I would be so grateful, honestly, I really would, if you would make a comment on this video. You can share with us what you think of the recipe, if you've tried it, anything that's on your mind. It's so nice to hear from you. Maybe like it and share it. It really helps us so much. We're just new on YouTube and we want to continue making amazing content for you. So when you interact with the videos, it really helps us at Lev Haolam. So the box helps the artisans and your comments and likes helps us. So thank you so much and can't wait to see you back here, and don't forget to subscribe.
Thank you. Welcome to join.
Bye.
Bye.